Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'll be showing you how to claim your Hamster Kombat coin and convert it to Tron coin. Though it's still yet to be listed, but when it eventually gets listed you'll need these steps. So follow me as I go along in setting up your Tron wallet and connect it to your Hamster coin. If you are new to this channel, please kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for subsequent videos that I'll be posting on this space. Alright, let's get into it. Right, open your Hamster Kombat, click on the play one click to play to launch the Hamster Kombat. Alright, so once you've done that, right, just over this place, right, where it says AIRDROP. So once the Hamster Kombat coin gets listed on the Tron network, you'll be able to convert your earnings, the coin that you earn, to Tron coin or Tron token. And to do this, you will need to link the Hamster Kombat to your Tron wallet. And I can do this in two ways. You can either use the Telegram wallet as your Tron wallet. Telegram already is in partnership with the Tron network that allows you to create a wallet on the Telegram app, or you can download an external wallet, an external Tron wallet. There are several of them. I'll be showing you one of them in this app, where you can now link to your Hamster Kombat application here. Okay, to do that right away, you see this AIRDROP option. Click on the AIRDROP, and once you click on the AIRDROP, you'll see this new page that pops up asking you to connect your Tron to your Tron wallet. Now when you go ahead and click on it, right, you ask you to connect to the wallet. Now once you click on it, it will give you several options. Like the first here is the Tron Keeper, which is the one that is very popular, which I use as well. The next one is my Tron wallet. They're all very good wallets to keep your Tron, and they're secured as well. Tron Up. So in this video tutorial, I'll be using the wallet on Telegram, and in the subsequent video, there'll be a video up in the cards here where I'll show you how to link to one of these external wallets where you can download on your Play Store and the likes. So let me just show you how this will look like. Let's assume I want to connect to the Tron Keeper wallet. Once I click on it, because I already have the app right installed on this phone, it opens straight away. But in the subsequent video, I'll be showing you A to Z how to do this. Now let's go back to what we using the wallet on Telegram. That is the Tron wallet on Telegram, and this one as well is very secure because it is being managed by the Telegram app, so it's quite secure as well. So either way you use your Tron token is secure. So I'll be using Telegram in this option, while my subsequent video, which you'll see the link in the description or in the card above, I will show you how to link to an external wallet, to an external wallet. Right, so let's go ahead. So click on the open wallet in Telegram. So once you click on it, it will ask you a few questions. To launch this web app, you need to connect to its website and all that. So you just click on start, and then Telegram will undo the process at the background, connect to the Telegram app, and then in return returning the feedback on Telegram. So it's telling you to start exploring. Right, go ahead and click on start exploring. Done. Your space is ready. Let's back you up. So now this basically is you want to back up your access code, your Tron address, and some other details via email, or your details, or you just to back up manually. In this case, I just do backup manually. To be more secure, you can do backup via email. Right, so but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just do backup manually. So I click on the backup manually. Now this is the recovery phase. Now this is very important. You must not lose this. In case you lose the password or the access code to your wallet, you need this recovery phase to be able to recover and recover and enter back into your wallet. So it's very crucial and very important. I'm going to hit continue, and it will ask me a few questions, which I'll go ahead and fill. Alright, so I've gone ahead and repeated the recovery phase as asked me, and you will get this message: wallet was successfully backed up, and you can find the secret recovery phrase in the wallet settings and blah blah. So you can go ahead and click on view turn space. So when you click on your view turn space, it will show your wallet, and then you can see that currently it's being linked. Your Hamster Kombat app is being linked and it's asking you to connect. So just go ahead and click on the connect button. So once you connect, you can see the verified message is connected. So when you come to the wallet from here, now you can see your wallet, open wallet, agree to terms, continue. So you can see your wallet. Now here's our turn space wallet. So when the token gets listed, your earnings can be converted to the turn token and then be sent to the wallet over here, right? So that is one way to go about it. So you can secure your wallet by adding passcode, so that anybody who have access to your Telegram will not access your wallet. So that is one way to go about it, right? So the other way is installing the app, the turn wallet app on your device, be it Android or iOS device, then link your Hamster Kombat app directly to the wallet. So these are the ways you can go about this. Now let's head back to our Hamster Kombat app, and let's see if the link was successful. Now let's go back to the AIRDROP and see. Now it's still asking us to connect to the wallet, connect to turn wallet, open in Telegram, connect wallet, and there we go. It's a success. You can now see that we've now successfully connected. You can see the check mark there saying that we've successfully connected our turn wallet to the Hamster Kombat app. So that will be all for this video. Please kindly leave a comment below if you have any challenges connecting your wallet, or if you have any question, or you have any comments or any suggestion. Please leave the comments below in the comment section, and then please kindly subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell for more updates in this field. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.